Today it's a quick video of my Saturday soup recipe on the website. Alright, so I've got my English potato, my sweet potato, and my carrots in one bowl because I'm adding them separately. Then next I've got onions, garlic, herbs, and my pumpkin and squash, and my pepper as well. I'm gonna add those first, so I keep them separately. You just want to rinse the split peas. You don't know what these people got on their split peas, so give them a little rinse. You don't have to, but better be safe than sorry, right? Next, add in the bowl with the pumpkin. That definitely needs to go in first with the chicken. I'm using leftover roast chicken rather than throwing it out, and some chicken bones I had. That was enough meat for me, but add what you want to add. Just some cloves and some red pepper. I also add bay leaf, but you can't see it. And I filled up the pot. On this next clip, I actually had fresh chicken, so I just wanted to show you what that looked like. You can use fresh or whatever you have. It's up to you. Just fill it up with water. I don't like a meaty chicken. A meaty soup. So this is enough. This is probably more meat than I'd prefer. And just so you know, give you more bones in the soup as well. So just have a think on that. I would recommend like the thighs, just doing chicken thighs, because you know they can handle the heat and the bones will give it flavor. So we just filled it up to the top, and we're gonna put the pot on the stove on high heat and cover it until everything's cooked. Now on to the dumplings. Now there's method to my madness. People make dumplings differently. This is how I make mine. So I got oats, evaporated milk, some butter or margarine, whatever you have, a pinch of salt, some sugar, some flour. I use whole wheat as well, but I didn't have any. I've got my spices, so cinnamon and nutmeg, and I don't like this essence. I prefer the mixed essence by the ECAF brand. That's so much better. So this is just some whole wheat flour that I found that I decided to use. So I cream together my butter and sugar first. I do the bare minimum, to be honest. Then I add my milk and my essence, and it doesn't look good, okay? It does not look good, but it'll taste good. It'll come together, I promise. Add your spices. I added a bit more water before I added my flour and my oats, and give it a mix with a spoon until you can't anymore and you have to use your hands. See? Came together. What did I tell you? It came together. I'm the dumpling queen, okay? These taste good. So I'm basically holding the camera. I couldn't be bothered to get my stand, so I apologize. This is what they look like. So I just put these on the fridge until I'm ready for them later. So this is my soup. It's not quite ready to add the stuff yet, but I just give it a little stir just so, to keep it moving. Cover it back. Right, so this is where I start to break things up, make sure the pumpkin's broken up, and then I add in all my my potatoes and my soup packets. Use any soup packets, or you don't have to use any, it's up to you. And I don't season besides these and some stock cubes. So when my potatoes are tender and cooked, I will drop in my dumplings. Some people cook them separately and then add them back. I just like to use everything in one pot. Right, it's finished when your dumplings are floating at the top. Okay, this is it. Sorry, it was a quick video. It was spur of the moment, but I hope it helps. I know it was quick and I filmed it really lazily, but I hope it turns out good for you. So thanks for watching. See you next time, I guess.